Hi mga kamyaw-meow! Welcome back to my channel. I'm your Chef Meow, hashtag Filingera ng Pusa. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and enjoy my vlog.
Like the kitty in the house, we sing da 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 da. Like the cutie on the prowl, come on da 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 da. Like my heart is beating out, fascination of your smile. Whatever you do, I do know now.
This is our ECQ recipe number 2.
For the ingredients, our start of the recipe is the boiled potato, which we grated already. We also have the grated carrots, flour, and eggs. For the taste, we will use the salt and pepper and seasoning, and of course the meatloaf.
After mixing, this is the mixture. Now we move on to our meatloaf. So stay lang natin siya dyan. From the mixture, we will get a little bit bulk. Then put one meatloaf inside. And we will make like a cylindrical shape from it.
So, ito na yung nagawa natin. Next step is chilled for 15 minutes to 20 minutes para lang maging hard siya at madali natin siyang ma-deep fry. So, punta tayo sa ref. Chilled lang muna natin to bago ko gawin ulit to. Okay? Tater tots. It is a grated potato and a deep fried. Tater means potato and tots means small. So we could call it small potato or a baby potato.
Step number 4, deep fry.
Moment of truth of every dish, tikiman time. And this is also my favorite part. I don't know why. Baka alam nyo. Okay, try na natin siya. Guys, yung appearance niya, achieve naman. Ganyan talaga yung gusto ko siya. Medyo golden brown. Then, dip natin siya sa ketchup. Pwedeng Jufran na sweet chili sauce or anything na gusto niyo sauce, pwede siya. So, for me, since available yung ketchup lang yung gagamitin natin. Mm. Mm. A must-try recipe, masarap. And another thing, fan kasi ako ng carrot, so yung carrot kasi yung nagbibigay ng sweetness, so okay siya. Mm. Guys, sa lahat ng sumusuporta, thank you so much. And sana follow nyo tong recipe na to. Mamaya, ilalagay ko sa description kung paano siya ginawa. Then, try nyo kasi sa akin talaga masarap siya. So, thank you for watching. And I hope safe kayong lahat. Especially yung mga nasa Pilipinas. Please be safe. And do the precaution. Okay? Thank you.
Like the kitty in the house, we sing na 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 na. Like the cutie on the prowl, come on now 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 now. Like my heart is beating out, fascination of your smile.